Section 1. Introduction to GST and the CGST Act. The Central Goods and Services Tax (CGST) Act 2017 is a landmark legislation in India's indirect tax system. Implemented on July 1, 2017, it aimed to create a unified market by subsuming multiple indirect taxes levied by the central government. This act, along with the Integrated Goods and Services Tax (IGST) Act for interstate transactions and respective state GST (SGST) acts, forms the backbone of the GST regime. Before GST, businesses faced a complex web of taxes, leading to cascading effects and hindering economic growth. The CGST Act, with its focus on a single, destination-based tax, aimed to simplify this structure and foster transparency. It ushered in a new era of tax compliance and administration. This essay delves into the key aspects of the CGST Act 2017, focusing on its impact on intrastate supply of goods and services. It examines crucial definitions, the mechanics of taxation, and the implications for businesses and stakeholders. The CGST Act represents a significant step towards economic reform, promoting ease of doing business and boosting India's competitiveness in the global market. Its impact is far-reaching, influencing various facets of the Indian economy. Section 2. Understanding key definitions. Actionable claim and address of delivery. The CGST Act introduces several key definitions that are crucial for understanding its application. Let's break down two important terms: actionable claim and address of delivery. An actionable claim refers to a claim that can be legally enforced, typically through a court of law. This could involve the right to recover a debt, claim compensation for a loss, or enforce a contractual obligation. Under the CGST Act, the transfer of an actionable claim is considered a supply of service and is therefore subject to GST. The address of delivery signifies the location where goods are delivered or services are deemed to be delivered. This is crucial for determining the place of supply, which in turn dictates whether CGST or IGST will be levied. For instance, if both the supplier and the recipient are located within the same state, and the address of delivery is also within that state, CGST would apply. Understanding these definitions is essential for businesses to determine their tax liability under the CGST Act. It ensures accurate tax compliance and prevents potential disputes with tax authorities. By clearly defining these terms, the Act aims to eliminate ambiguity and provide a transparent framework for businesses to operate within. This clarity is crucial for the smooth functioning of the GST regime and fosters a conducive business environment. Section 3. Decoding aggregate turnover and business under the CGST Act. Two other fundamental concepts within the CGST Act are aggregate turnover and business. These terms play a vital role in determining a business's liability for GST registration and compliance. Aggregate turnover refers to the total value of all taxable and non-taxable supplies made by a business, including exempt supplies and exports during a specific period. This includes activities like sales, services, and stock transfers. The Act sets a threshold limit for aggregate turnover, and businesses exceeding this limit are required to register under GST. The term business encompasses a wide range of activities carried out by a person or an entity. It includes any trade, commerce, manufacture, profession, vocation, or adventure in the nature of trade, commerce, or manufacture. Even activities like renting immovable property are considered business under the CGST Act. Understanding the scope of aggregate turnover and business is crucial for businesses to ascertain their GST obligations. It helps in determining whether registration is required and what activities will attract GST. The Act's comprehensive definition of business ensures that a wide range of economic activities are brought under the GST net, promoting fairness and transparency in the tax system. This inclusivity is aimed at creating a level playing field for all businesses.